Welcome back to Foodology by Dipali. So today, looking at my backdrop, I'm sure you must have guessed by now what we're going to do. Yes, you're not wrong. We are going to do momos today. So let's start. And ingredients we need for momos today. Not much. 1 kg chicken keema, garlic, salt, black pepper, oil, and I have 2 Maggi cubes with me for seasoning. I've cut almost 1 kg of chopped onions I have, and around 3 cups of maida. So let's start. Heat oil in a kadhai. Add some garlic. Saute some garlic. Add onions to it, chopped onions. As you can see, I am adding lots of onions, and your onions should be finely cut. Because these onions will leave water, which will help the momos to become juicy. So as you can see, onions have started changing the color. So I'll add
etc. But the best part is, as I already told,
that's okay. I'm adding chicken dough for the momos. Take a big vessel, and I'm taking almost 2.5 cups of flour for this. 2.5 cups of flour means we'll be able to make almost 40 momos of good size. We'll add salt to this and take chilled water. Take chilled water and start adding water slowly to the dough. So now you can see our dough is absolutely ready. You can see the consistency and elasticity of dough. It's like this. So roll it nicely. Wrap it in a cling film for 10 to 15 minutes and keep it in the fridge. Now let's move to our keema. You can see it's almost done. I'll add generous amount of salt to it. Almost 1 teaspoon black pepper and Maggi seasoning. Ball from the dough and start rolling it. So our dough is rolled nicely. Now with the help of a cookie cutter, we'll cut small round discs out of this dough. Oil it nicely. Keema is ready, dried out and ready with us. Let it cool down for some time. Now take a disc, put almost 1 teaspoon of keema. Now here, how to roll it is very important. I'll show you 2-3 different shapes. Just press it nicely from one side and hold it like this between your index finger and thumb. And start making pleats like this. Do it nicely and slowly. See the shape. Another one I'll show you. As you can see, the dough is done so nicely. I'm not using any water or milk, anything to seal the edges. I'll show you another simple way to fold momos. Just put it inside like this and seal the edges. The way we do it for gujia. Seal all the edges. And just fold it and press it from the ends. You can see the shape. So you can see our one compartment is done. So I'll just close the lid and let it cook on slow. So now let's see. You can see the change in color, how nicely momos are done. The other shape also. Serve it with spicy momo chutney and enjoy your